Hey, it looks like you're ready to start assigning some proactive training courses. Let's get started. Go ahead and go to driversalert.com and click on the login button here at the top right. Now you'll enter your email address as your username, and if you're not sure what your password is, go ahead and click on the self-service password reset tool. Now type in your email and click submit, and you should receive an email within seconds with a link for you to create your own password. Once you're ready to log in, return to the login screen and type in your newly created password, then click Login. Now you want to turn all your attention to the training tab found here at the top of the screen. Once you click here, you'll be able to start making your training assignments. This will direct you to your employee list page. Now, some of you may already have some employees here. If you need to add more, simply click on Add New Employee. Now enter your employee's last name and their unique employee ID and click Submit. Then enter their first name, a unique password that they'll use to log in for training. You can use the comment box for anything that will make them unique or help you identify their position in the company. We highly recommend that you include their email. That's how they'll get notified of their login information for training. You do not need to include the driver's license state or driver's license number or birthday. Just click Add New Employee. Once you see the successfully added message, you can go ahead and click Cancel, and that will bring you right back to the employee list page. Now, for those of you that have a ton of employees and you don't want to manually add them, we do have an option for you. Simply click on the Help tab found here at the top. Now, type in the word Employee List into the Support Center search. There'll be the very first article at the top for Ed and Edit Employees for Proactive Training. Click on the I Have Too Many Employees link. This will take you to a section where you can click on the employee list spec. This Excel sheet is the template we need in order to complete an import for you. Make sure to complete the following information: employee ID, last name and first name, and of course their email address if you have it. When you complete your sheet, make sure to email it to customerservice@driversalert.com. Our contact phone number and email is found here at the bottom of the article in case you should have any questions. Now let's return to the employee list page where we can select one or many employees to make an assignment. By clicking on the Assign Training link, we'll be directed to the page where we can select one or many courses to assign. By using the scroll bar on the right hand side, we'll be able to search through courses listed alphabetically. We can also select a course category here. After you made your course selection, please keep in mind the checkboxes below on step 3. There is an option for you to notify your trainees via email if emails were included. You can also choose to get a notification once the training's been completed, and there's a duplicate training assignment preventative here for you already pre-checked. If you are happy with the due date pre-assigned, you can leave it alone, or if you'd like to choose a different date, please use the calendar option and click Submit for review once everything looks good. From this page, you'll be able to review your course selection and due date. Make sure everything looks good and click Confirm Training. When training has been confirmed, you should see this congratulations screen. Click on this link here to see their login instruction sheet that you can send to the printer to hand them a copy if they need it. This will tell them their passing score that's required, as well as the instructions that they'll need to follow in order to be able to access the course. Stuff like their username and their password is included here. Again, there's a Send to Printer link found at the bottom of the screen. Now keep in mind that this information will also be emailed to your employees if their email address was included on the employee list. Now let's return to the employee list page where we can look at the training history report to see what the status is of the training courses we assign. Again, you can select everyone or just a few employees and click Training History. This will show you the course assignments that were made, who made them, and the status. You can also download a few reports to Excel. Should an employee lose their login information, select them on the list and click Training Reminder. You can also add a personalized message here and click Send Email Now. Please make sure there's an email listed in the email column for them to receive a reminder. If you do not have an email address for your employee, select them from the list and click Employee Login Info. On this screen, you'll be able to send their instruction sheet to a printer. Now they do have to navigate to driversalert.com for them to be able to log in for training. Once they get to the login screen, they'll enter their username and password provided to them on their login instructions. Once they're in, they'll see the training center where they'll be able to click on the course title to begin. If they have any technical difficulties with the course, they can click on the Help with Online Training link. This will direct them to a spec checker page where they'll be able to check their mobile device, tablet, or desktop computer to make sure that their device meets the minimum requirements for the training to load properly. When everything looks good, they can go ahead and return to the training center, click on a course title, and begin the training.
Welcome to Electrical Safety.
Now, if you have some lingering questions, please don't be shy. Check out our support center page where you will see our contact phone number and email. For those of you that are ready to assign some training, get out there and make the world a safer place. Assign some proactive action training.